2019 Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, and most of the features come standard. Combine that with the powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, remote engine start, keyless entry, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, ABS 4-wheel, cruise control, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear defrost, auto-off headlights, AM/FM stereo radio, front-wheel drive, MP3 player, child safety locks, bucket seats, electronic stability control, power door locks, passenger airbag. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.